The rise of Flipper Zero killers. Top hacking gadgets for 2025. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Flipper Zero killers. As we wrap up 2024 and head into 2025, I've got 3 devices that are seriously shaking things up in the hacking gadget world. They're all strong contenders to dethrone the Flipper Zero. First up, we have the H4M pack. This beast is loaded with radio hacking and penetration testing tools. It's got USB-C, a GPIO port, 2 microphones, and a real on-off switch. This is the most refined device of the bunch, but use it responsibly. It's super easy to get into trouble with this one. Next, the BLE Shark Nano. This tiny powerhouse packs a punch with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and a ton of built-in features like bad USB over Bluetooth and a keypad. The best part? Wi-Fi is built in, so you don't need any extra modules. Finally, the LILIGO Enable. This device runs the Bruce firmware, which is packed with hacking tools. It's a bit more hands-on than the BLE Shark Nano, but it's incredibly versatile and affordable. These devices are making hacking more accessible and affordable for everyone. The Flipper Zero is still a great device, but the competition is heating up. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. And remember, safety is an illusion. See you in the next one.